Hi, this is Dr. Tony D from Elev8 Chiropractic in Ames, Iowa, and in this video we are going to show you a simple, easy exercise that can help you strengthen your core and protect your lower back from injury. Stay tuned.
Class is now in session at Elev8 helping you discover your next level.
On this video, we're going to be showing you how to do an exercise called the glute bridge, and this is a wonderful exercise that can strengthen and tone the entire core and help you be able to protect and strengthen your lower back. Most people, when you say core, instantly think of an abdominal exercise. You can raise your virtual hand if you thought so. It's okay. I'm not just a judgment-free zone here at Elev8. But the core is actually a dynamic group of muscles that include the abdominals, but also include the hip extension muscles like the glutes, and a lot of other muscles kind of form a girdle around that lower back and pelvis. So this exercise is very simple to do. We're going to use a table today because it's going to be easier for us to demonstrate this for you, but this would obviously be best done preferably on the floor. For comfort, if you'd like to do this on top of a yoga mat, that would be great too. So Brittany's going to help us out today. Brittany, I want you to go ahead and lie down on your back for me if you would. So the starting position is on the back, knees bent with your feet pressing down into the floor. And so to execute the exercise, I want you to lift your hips up into the air until you're perfectly level. From there, make sure you're squeezing tight through your buttocks and your glutes and maintaining tension. So what you want to do, you want to form a straight line running from the knee up through the shoulder. Now, there's one kind of primary error that people are going to make that can detract from the effectiveness of this exercise and potentially increase your pain and discomfort. So let's make sure you don't fall into that pitfall and show you how to properly do this right off the bat. So the common mistake that's going to be made is actually going too far into this position. So Brittany, I want you to go ahead and demonstrate that right now. So by going too far, you create two separate problems, both of which are going to be very uncomfortable for you. The first is that you're increasing the stress and pressure on the neck, shoulder, and head. Definitely not going to make your neck very happy. The second is that you're increasing the arcing in a really unnatural way on the transition between your lower back and pelvis, which can actually aggravate some underlying spinal problems. So you want to go back to flat. That is the position you're shooting for. You should be doing this exercise on a daily basis. This is probably a good one to do first thing in the morning or definitely as a prehab exercise before you're doing any exercising or working out. You want to hold for about 10 to 20 seconds. Lower back down, rest for a count of 5, and then back up into the position. Try to get 3 or 5 of those in a day. You want to see yourself building over time to be able to hold this position for a minute or longer. Now, I want to show you a couple tweaks today so that once you get the basics of this, here's a couple tweaks that can help you take this exercise to the next level and get a little bit more benefit from it. So the first, what I want you to do is you're going to want to squeeze something between your knees while you're doing the activity. So one of the easiest things to use would be like a bath towel folded up. If you have a yoga brick at home, that would work great for this as well. Now, this is going to increase the intensity of this exercise. So this is not a modification that you're going to want to make right out the gate. This is something that once you get to the point you can hold it 30, 45 seconds a minute, then let's add something between the knees to enhance the effects a little bit. One more tweak, if you really want to get exciting with this, is we're going to do it on one leg. So let's show you how to do that as well. So first thing is you're going to start just like normal. You want to come up into that glute bridge position. Then I'm going to have you take this leg and extend it out in front of you. This is going to be something that's a modification you want to do once you have advanced in your progression of being able to do this exercise. So once again, I'd be doing this daily. Once again, starting with just the basic position until you can hold for about 30 to 45 seconds and then add in those two kind of next level modifications we showed you. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you start doing the exercise and get a lot of benefit from it. What would also be great is if you checked out my website at www.drtonydavis.com and signed up for our monthly newsletter. See you on the next episode.
Dr. Tony D, helping people discover their next level.